this, the Jews there began to grumble about him because he said, "I am the bread that came down from heaven." They said,
Is this not Jesus, the son of Joseph, whose father and mother we know? How can he now say, "I came down from heaven"?
Stop grumbling among yourselves.
Jesus answered,
No one can come to me unless the Father who sent me draws them, and I will raise them up at the last day. It is written in the prophets, they will all be taught by God. Everyone who has heard the Father and learned from him comes to me. No one has seen the Father except the one who is from God. Only he has seen the Father. Very truly I tell you, whoever believes has eternal life. I am the bread of life. Your ancestors ate the manna in the wilderness, yet they died. But here is the bread that comes down from heaven, which people may eat and not die. I am the living bread that came down from heaven. Whoever eats of this bread will live forever. This bread is my flesh, which I will give for the life of the world.